Let's see how to find WordPress username and password in Hostinger.
Log into your Hostinger Hpanel and then from the hosting section click on Manage from here. Now select the website for which you want to find the username and password. Now again from the left menu click on Databases. Select Management from here. Here you will see the website database. Click on Enter phpMyAdmin from here. Now click on WP Users. Now here you will see the users that are registered on your WordPress website. So this is our WordPress website username new Hostinger 24. So this is our WordPress website username. Now to find the password of your WordPress website, click on Edit from here. Now here you will see the user pass section. Click on this drop down from here. Select MD5 from here. Once the MD5 is selected, add your new password here. After adding your new password, scroll down and now from here click on Go. And our WordPress website password is now changed. We cannot find the password from Hostinger, but we can change it. So now we can use this username and the password that we have added to log into our WordPress website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.